Morning. In this short film I'm going to show you what to do immediately after you've installed your base system for the first time. In this case we're talking about a Linode system, but the principle is pretty much the same, no matter however else it might be. So the first thing you notice about Linode is that it creates a root account. It's not typical on Ubuntu installs, but let's log in as that root account. There we go, we're in. The first thing I like to do before I do anything else is let's make a new user. I don't need to sudo, I'm already in root. User adds with a home directory with a shell called bash and with a member of the group of sudo to allow us to do root-like stuff with a name of Bob J. There we go. Make a password for him. Password for Bob J. And up we go. There's the password for Bob J. That's done. Let's get out of there. Right, the very next thing we want to do is to send our keys over. As I don't want to use my password, SSH copy ID from the usual place. ID. Why would I put it? Copy ID minus R. ID RSA.path, that's my public key. Copy it where? Copy it to this new machine of mine. And it'll ask for my password on the new machine. There it is, and it's done. I can try and log into that machine again as Bob J. I shouldn't need to type my password. Perfect, that's grand, everything is working good. Okay, having verified all that, the very next thing I want to do is to tighten up my SSH a little bit. I should at the same time verify that my sudo works. SSHD config. There's usually three things I have to do here. Okay, sudo works. First thing I do, change this port. Cuts down your attack profile considerably. It's generally a good thing. The next thing I want to do is to make root login. And the very next thing I want to do is to turn off password. I know my key works, so that's good enough. Exit, and we can restart. SSH, and that's fine. Exit. Now I try and SSH in, we can't connect. That's good. Most of the bad guys out there are trying to do this. Only very serious bad guys are going to go hunting around to see whether you're listening on a different port, like we are. And there we are, we're in. Okay, that's just because I've been here before. And let's go. Hey, and we're in on this new report. That's great. Right, the very next thing I want to do is to just quickly configure a firewall, UFW, which is the Ubuntu firewall. I want to allow connections on port 2292. Of course, that, and then enable the firewall. At this point, firewall running, which is allowing connection to port 2292, then nothing else can get into this machine except for a connection on that port and that port will only accept SSH connections using keys, and it won't permit a root login. At this point, I'm reasonably happy. I can log out and relax and go and have